BBQ Chilli Barramundi with carrots and asparagus. First up, grab a small saucepan and add sugar, lime juice, rice vinegar and soy sauce. Stir over a medium heat for about 2 minutes or until the sugar dissolves completely. Bring the mixture up to a boil and then cook for 2 to 3 minutes. You want the syrup to thicken up slightly. Set the syrup aside to cool. To finish the dressing, add the fish sauce, sesame oil, cucumber and ginger to the cooled syrup and stir to combine. Time to fire up the barbie. Heat a barbecue grill or char grill on high. Brush your carrots with a little oil and season with salt and pepper. Barbecue, turning occasionally, for about 6 to 8 minutes. You want them to be lightly charred and tender. Transfer the charred carrots to a platter. Then barbecue the asparagus for 2 minutes or until bright green and tender. Here's how to barbecue barramundi. Brush the fish all over with oil and then sprinkle the skin with chilli, cumin and salt. The trick to crisp skin is to cook the fish skin side down first and for longer than the other side. Start by adding the fish skin side down to a hot barbecue and cook for 4 minutes or until the skin is golden brown and crisp. Turn over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the barramundi is golden brown. If you're not sure if your fish is cooked through, test it with a fork. It should flake easily. When you're ready to serve, arrange the charred carrots and asparagus on a platter. Top with the barbecued barramundi. Sprinkle with coriander leaves and drizzle with the ginger and cucumber dressing. And serve immediately with lime wedges. This is a great way to make the most of your barbecue when you're entertaining friends and enjoy some delicious Aussie seafood. For more great recipes, head to our barbecue season playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.